Hello, welcome back to my channel, Mel's Stampin' Gallery. I'm Melanie, and I'm so glad you stopped by to visit with me today. I wanted to share with you some of the creations I have been working on throughout this past month, and they were all Christmas and December themed. So I have some layouts here to share with you, and I also have some cards that I want to share with you as well. And be sure to stay tuned till the end for a sneak peek at my new workshop guide that will be released at the beginning of December. So speaking of workshop guides, I created my very first workshop guide using the Season of Green and Gold workshop bundle, or product suite, if you will. It uses the beautiful different golden greenery designer series paper, and it includes the 6 layouts. It's 3 double page layouts, and this is the first one, and I do not have my pictures on it yet. I was in the process of getting the pictures on to share with you today, but my printer was acting up, and I didn't really have time to fiddle with it, but I wanted to give you a refresher on the workshop guide. My workshop guide, like I said, has all the instructions and cutting guide to create these 6 different scrapbook layouts, and they are double page. And the workshop guide also includes, if I've created a title on Cricut, I've included the link to that file on Cricut so that you can make those titles for yourself if you want to. The nice thing about the guides is to think of them as just sketches. If you don't want the paper, or if you want to use the layouts and paper that you already have in your stash, of course you can do that as well. But this particular workshop guide uses the Season of Green and Gold workshop paper, designer series paper, and it also uses the stamps and dies from the Golden Greenery photopolymer stamp set. The nice thing about these stamps and dies is not only can you stamp your images and die cut them out, but you can also die cut the images from the designer series paper as well. And I've done a little bit of both with this workshop kit that I have designed, and I will have a link for you down below on how you can purchase this kit if you're still interested in it. You can see that I've already started putting some of my pictures on it, and they were printing out kind of wonky, so like I said, I have to go back and finish clean up my printer and finish setting up these pictures. And speaking of the Seasons of Green and Gold, I wanted to share with you some of the cards that I made for a recent Kit to Go class, Kits in the Mail class. And I seem to be missing one. Hold on, let me see if it got stuck behind another one. So this was part of a kit that I did. It was a technique class using that Seasons of Green and Gold and the Golden Greenery Stampin' Dies. And this was a technique class where I showed you how to use the different enamel effects on your cards, different ways that you could use that instead of just using them as little gloss dots on your layouts. So these were some of the cards that I did for that technique class. Now the next layout I have for you, I do not have a video for this yet. However, stay tuned until the end of December. Actually, on Christmas Day, a video like this using this layout will be going live with the mystery envelope and my friends at the Inspiration Collaboration Design team. So what we are going to do is use the products from right here. It's called the Memories and More collection, and this is the Reindeer Days Memories and More card pack. And I wanted to show you how you can do this or use these papers and these stickers for more than just your pocket pages. The Memories and More collection has all these different sized, well, just the 4x6 and the 3x4 pocket cards, And this is just a sampling of what I have left. There are so many more of these cards. I think you get like 5 of each design, and they are double-sided. So there is so much you can do with this, from making your scrapbook pages, making your pocket pages, or even making cards, and I'll show you those in just a second. But it also has doubles of these adorable little sticker sheets included with it as well. So I'll just bring in a couple of the cards. Here's one of the cards I made using one of the pocket cards, and I just simply mounted it on the real red cardstock and added a few of the stickers on the top, and I popped up the Merry Christmas and the one gift with a dimensional. Very quick and easy to make these cards. And here's another one. It's just simply the pocket card, and this is the reverse of one of the pocket cards here, and just add a little sticker and made a darling little card. The next one I have for you, again, I do not have a process video on this one because I did this one at a retreat that I went to in Texas. My wonderful upline and friend Cindy Jackson hosts a retreat for her team members once a year, and I was lucky enough to be able to attend. And as one of the gifts for attending, she included the pack of this called A Little Bit Festive. It's a 12 by 12 specialty designer series paper pack, and it comes with these 3 different pattern papers that are double-sided, and then it also had all the ephemera to go with it. And again, there's so much ephemera on there that I still have a whole lot left to use up. But one of her challenges was to create a double page scrapbook layout using that kit, and then we had a little contest, and all voted on the winner of the layout. But I used it, as you can see, to document a day that we went to the zoo, local zoo here. The Cleveland Zoo has this lights festival, and the theme that year was Frozen, and my granddaughters absolutely love, is that Elsa and Anna, or the other way around? They absolutely love that. So we had their picture taken with them, and then of course they're riding in the wagon with the little one there. But I thought these pictures were absolutely beautiful for that paper pack. And then, like for the embellishments, it was just so easy to make the embellishments using that ephemera pack from that Little Bit Festive Designer Series paper pack. And then for the icicles at the top, I used, let me show you. It was the die set from the Frozen Edges die bundle that you see here in the mini catalog, and of course it does have a stamp set to go with it, but I just used the die and die cut it out of some silverly, excuse me, silver glittery paper, and I'm going to add a little bit of journaling on there, and I might add a few little sprinkles on here, but yeah, so that's that one. All right, and let's shift gears for just a minute, because I wanted to show you a couple of the cards that I made with the Reindeer Fun photopolymer stamp and die set. This stamp and die set is so fun because it has not only the stamps, but then of course, like I said, the dies that coordinate with it. And the nice thing about these dies is it does have the dies that you can use separately, and then it also has dies that you can use to cut out the stamp shapes, but they also then coordinate with the designer series paper that goes with this collection. So let me show you a couple of the cards that I made using this bundle. So here's a cute little card that I made using the bundle, and I stamped and die cut the deer, but this was the die from this set here. Like I said, it's one of the ones that was just a standalone die. Let's see if I can find it. Right here, it's kind of like this, makes like an evergreen scene for your snowy winter pictures. And then this one uses the standalone reindeer dies and wreath, and then it also has the strand of lights that I put underneath here. And these 2 cards were actually part of a video. I do have a process video for these, and this is part of the mystery envelope and the inspiration collaboration design team that we do, or it was one of our challenge videos. So you can see that process video right up there if you are interested in that. And then also with the reindeer head, these were some cards that we made at our retreat that I was telling you about. Was part of a business builder class for the retreat. The next one I have for you is a little bit of a sneak peek. And this one is using the Sentimental Christmas Suite collection with the beautiful designer series paper here, and the stamp and die set, and this very pretty organza type ribbon. And then it's got the what do you call those things? Number 3, the druzy adhesive backed embellishments, and those are so pretty and sparkly in real life. And here is the stamp set. And like I said, it's got the dies to coordinate with these different things. It's got some really nice sayings for it. And if you open it up, you can see I've got some extra pieces in here, and it has little sprigs of embellishments for the different dies that go along with this. Let's see if there's a standalone die. Yep, see there's the little sprig, and it cuts out, like I said, the different images from the coordinating designer series paper. So let me show you real quick what this is. And like I said, this is a sneak peek because I am working on the workshop guide to go along with these double page layouts. And all my workshop guides will have 3 double page layouts, so that's 6 double page layouts. And they do include all of the cutting guides and instructions on how to put these things together step by step. I'm just going to go through this very quickly, and I will have a more detailed video for you next week when this workshop is ready to go live. All right, so you can see if I need a title and I create it on Cricut, like I said before, I do include that in the workshop guide. And then here's the last one. I have not made a title for this one yet, so I'm still working on that, and a couple of little things to finish up over here as well. But there's a little sneak peek, like I said, of the workshop guide coming to you soon. So that about does it for me today. So if you enjoyed this, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to check back next week when I will have more details about how you can get this workshop guide if you are interested. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can find me on Facebook and Instagram, and all the links are listed down below. So until next time, thanks for joining me. Bye.